Well, hello, fabulous ghosts and ghouls. It has been a super long time since I've posted anything, so welcome if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. I'm using my headset today because, unfortunately, the microphone on my new camera is not that great. I was trying and testing out the audio, and it's just not very clear, so I'm going to have to get a external microphone. So in the meantime, here's my good old Razer Kraken's Quartz Edition headset, and today I have a gaming related video for you anyway. Today I am going to be unboxing a Zelda Breath of the Wild mystery box, and also Amiibo cards are back. That's right, I found these at my local Target and I was super excited. They also actually had several packages of the Sanrio cards, which, if you remember back a few months ago, there was a whole debacle about the way that Target rolled out these Amiibo cards, and it was just a mess. I was really salty for a while about not being able to find them or get them. So when I saw these, you know I had to get them. So without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing, and we will start with the Zelda box and then we will end with our Amiibo cards. So I've had this box for a couple of months. I just haven't had time to sit down and have some time to make a video. So I figured today would be a great day to finally unwrap this box. And it's a pretty good sized box. This I also found at Target. Zelda Breath of the Wild is probably easily one of my absolute favorite Zelda games in the series. It's beautiful, the music is great, it's just a fantastic game. So this is actually a really beautiful looking box. I love the illustration on the front. We have Link, of course, with the 4 champions. And inside the box, it looks like we're going to get a messenger bag, a journal and pen, water bottle, bento style snack box, and a pin set of the 4 champions and a tech decal. So of course we're going to have pins of Mipha, Daruk, Urbosa, and Rivali. I was really excited to see this box. I'd never seen one like this. So when we open it up, here's what it looks like. Oh, we got jumping stuff here. So we'll start out with the item that leapt out of the box, and this is our Champions pin set. Let's see what they look like. Oh, they're pretty nice. They're just little basic enamel pins. It's just a photo with enamel over the top. They're pretty decent. Next up, here is our pen. It's the Divine Beast on the pen. It's pretty nice. And here are the tech decals. I really like these. And here is the journal. Very nice. And here's the snack box. I'm just going to take the wrapping off of it so we can see the entire thing. Oh, it looks like the Sheikah slate. That's really cool. And when you unsnap it, here's what the inside looks like. Oh, this is actually a glass water bottle. That's kind of nice. packaged quite lovely. It's excuse the styrofoam dust that'll come off after I wash it, but this is actually quite nice water bottle. I do really love and prefer glass and metal water bottles over plastic. And lastly, we have our messenger bag. It's actually quite a decent size, very basic, but this will actually, oops, upside down. This will actually work quite well when I go back to school. This looks like it's going to be great to hold my laptop. I'm not necessarily the biggest fan of brown, but for the utility of it, you know, it is what it is. So it has a little pocket here, and that's it. It's just one big open bag. So, you know, for the price, it wasn't too bad. I believe this was $30. And it is by Culturefly, and they've been putting out a lot of different collector's boxes for various video games. Like, they've done a couple Animal Crossing ones, so they seem to do a lot of these video game related mystery boxes, or, you know, collector's boxes. Now we can tear into our Amiibo cards. So I'm trying to complete the entire collection of Amiibo cards. I have a good amount of all of them, so I purchased 2 of each of series 1 through 4. First, I'll open the Sanrio cards. I thought the villagers were super cute for the Sanrio cards. I would like to make an island maybe next year in the spring. I'll do like a spring core kind of island with all the Sanrio villagers. They're just a lot more colorful than what I usually go for. So first here we have Toby, and he has the Karapi frog set. Then there's Chelsea. She's one of my favorites. She has the My Melody set for her. And then we have Chai. I also really like her. I absolutely adore the cinema roll furniture set. We have Etoile. I really like her too. Little twin stars are super cute. I love the wall clock in the back and the bed and everything in it. And we have Marty. We already know about the butt rug. He's okay looking. I'm just not necessarily the biggest fan of yellow. And finally we have Rilla. She is pretty cute. I wish they had gone with a little bit of a different color scheme other than red, white, and blue. I'm not really a big fan of blue, but the Hello Kitty stuff is still really cute. And this is what the back of the Sanrio Amiibo cards look like. Very nice. And now into Series 1 of the regular Amiibo cards. I'm just going to take them all out of their outer cardboard shell first. Okay, first pack of Series 1. Let's see who we're going to get. I hope I don't get too many doubles of things I already have. So here we have Henry. I don't believe that I have him yet. And Roscoe. I absolutely love him. I already have him on my Spooky Island. And we have Dina. Another duck. Ooh, Kabuki. I know I definitely don't have him. And Al. And our NPC is DJKK. Not too bad. And for our second one, we have Walker. I know I don't have his card yet. Oh, we have Cole. He looks kind of Halloween-y with his black and orange. Oh, we have Flurry. I loved her. She's really cute. Quilson, another duck. And we have Rasher. And our NPC is Joan with them stonks. Moving along to Series 2, first pack. And we have Marcel. I can't remember if I have this one or not. Oh, and we have Bo. He's really cute. Groucho. He's not too bad. And Kid. I'm pretty sure he's the one that has like the trash house. Oh, and we have Kit. And our NPC is Blanca. I think I already have one of her. I'm not sure. And package number 2 of Series 2. And we have Camo Frog. I also have him on my island currently. I love him. We have Bettina. I'm not really a fan of the mice, but she's not too bad. And Timbra, love her. And Carmen, another bunny. And Felicity, she's really cute. And our NPC is Booker. Alright. Moving along into Series 3 already. And we have Claudia. Pippi. Getting a lot of the rabbit characters. Ooh, we have Marshall. Got him on my island right now as well. Absolutely love him. He's my boy. And we have Drago. He's actually kind of cute. I've had him before as well. Another alligator. We have Dell. And our NPC is Wendell. Okay. Second package of Series 3. And first up we have Caroline. I have not seen her before. She is adorable. On we have Rooney. He looks very angry. Oh, we have Mary. She is also super adorable. Eloise. Very cute. Mitzi. I don't think I have seen her before. She's pretty cute too. And our NPC is Franklin. This is great packs. I don't have quite a few of these. Alright, now we're on to our last two. These are both Series 4. So let's see, who are we gonna get? Ugh. Becky. I'm really not a fan of the chickens. Sorry. And we have Angus. And Puddles, the underwear on her head frog. Oh, Tammy. I don't believe I've ever seen her before either, not even on a villager hunt. And Bones. Cute. And our NPC is Brewster. Awesome. I do have a Brewster that is a Japanese amiibo card. You know, I do have a couple of the amiibo cards from Japan, so I'm happy to have another one in this time in English. It's cool to have both. And our last package, our first one is O'Hare. I don't believe I've seen him before either. And we have Rosie. I love her. And we have Static. Another pretty cool squirrel. Just look at him. He looks awesome. And we have Poppy. He's adorable. And we have Croak. He looks like he speaks French. He looks very grouchy though. And our NPC is Rossetti. So all in all, I think I got some really great cards. I'm excited to put them into my card binder and see which ones I'm still missing. I'm hoping to eventually be able to collect all of the Amiibo cards. I had heard that Nintendo is going to be reprinting more Amiibo cards, which is great, so hopefully I'll be able to complete my collection and have all of the Villagers Amiibo cards. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you'd like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I have a bunch more videos that'll be coming your way. Don't forget that it is spooky season officially. So I have a Halloween haul for you, as well as some alternative fashion hauls as well. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay spooky.